Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk you through my really easy hack on how to clean your washing machine. It's a job that I think everybody dislikes quite a lot, but you can do it so quickly and so easily. In fact, this method only takes me a total of 10 minutes, which isn't very long at all. And afterwards, my washing machine is looking sparkly and ready to be used to do some more of that dreaded task. I'm now going to run you through the products that you're going to need in order to clean your washing machine. And after I've shown you, we'll then go through the method that's involved. And I'm really hoping that you're going to love the results. You will need the following to clean your washing machine. It's really simple. Most of us have these things sort of lying around the house actually, or you can pick them up all in one shop. You could go to Home Bargains, you could go to B&M, even your local supermarket will probably have most of these items actually in store. So let's talk through them and see what they are. So first of all, we've got some minky sponge wipes. You could just use a normal sponge if you didn't have the minky ones. They're just kind of for cleaning the inner rim of the washing machine. Then I've got an old toothbrush, a soft cloth, and some soda crystals, and some Flash Bathroom, some Mould and Mildew Blaster, some bicarbonate of soda, some white vinegar, and a bit of ZOFLORA mixed with water in a bottle over there. So that is all you need to clean your washing machine and to get it looking like new. And now I'm going to talk through the very easy steps to take in order to get it sparkling clean and looking good. So this is our washing machine. It's a Hotpoint Active Care washing machine. We've had it for probably about 9 months now, and I try and keep on top of cleaning it as much as possible, but you know, life is busy and it's not always easy. So whenever I can, I make sure I give it a really good deep clean like I am today. And the first thing that I always do is actually start with the tray where you put in your detergent and your softener. I always find this bit gets really clogged up. So I'm just going to quite simply just slide this out, and then I will take this to the sink and then let it soak in some hot soapy water for a little while, and while the rest of the washing machine's having a clean. So now the tray's out of the way, you can have a really good look inside your washing machine. Like I said, this is quite a new washing machine and I do try and keep on top of cleaning it, so it's not too bad in there, but normally you would probably find a lot more mold and mildew building up. So we're going to give this a really good clean in here. We're going to use a couple of products and just get it looking all sparkly and white.